Ancoats and Beswick Ward. Ancoats and Beswick is an electoral ward of Manchester, England, created by the Local Government Boundary Commission for England (LGBCE), replacing the previous electoral wards of Ancoats and Clayton and Bradford for the local elections 2018. It is represented in Westminster by Lucy Powell MP for Manchester Central. The first councillors for the ward were elected at the 2018 local elections. Councillors. The current councillors for the ward are Majid Dar Labour and Rosa Battle Labour, and Alan Good Liberal Democrats. On 24 July 2019, it was reported that Majid Dar had been suspended by the Labour Party. He was readmitted to the party and to the Labour group on the council shortly after. Indicates seat up for re-election. Indicates seat won in by-election. Elections in 2020s. Asterisk denotes incumbent councillor seeking re-election. February 2022. On 30 November 2021, Councillor Marcia Hutchinson resigned from her seat in Ancoats and Beswick, citing allegations of bullying and racism within the Labour group. A by-election was held on 3 February 2022, which was won by the Liberal Democrat candidate Alan Good. May 2021. Elections in 2010s. May 2019. May 2018. References ==